Greetings, Dr. Geeta. I'm Denise, and today I'll be presenting on the marketing challenge present in the airline industry, as well as data-driven solutions available to tackle them. According to the International Air Transport Association, the airline industry has generated over $900 billion in revenue. In Malaysia alone, it contributes more than $5 billion to the country's GDP. Customer retention is a key challenge in the industry, mainly due to diverse customer expectations. Differing segments have varying expectations, which affects passenger satisfaction and customer retention. To tackle this, we'll be looking at three predictive techniques: decision tree, logistic regression, and also time series analysis. First, let's look at decision tree. This technique helps airlines to predict patterns within data to produce categorical outcome. It also helps companies to understand customer behavior, such as whether a customer is likely to churn or not. Airlines can input factors like flight frequency and satisfaction rates in a decision tree to identify which factors would influence customer retention. A factor with a p-value less than 0.001 in a decision tree model is considered statistically highly significant. This means it has a strong relationship with customer churn and will greatly influence customer retention rate. So focusing on these significant factors will allow airlines to identify areas for improvement and develop targeted retention strategies to improve satisfaction and reduce churn. Next, logistic regression enables airlines to understand the likelihood of customers churning based on the input variable. For instance, airlines can use varying probabilities to understand how changes in engagement rates can affect customer retention. Having different probabilities can enable companies to explore how changes in the perceived likelihood of churn affects the model's predictions. A higher probability will indicate higher likelihood of the prediction happening. Companies can analyze data such as the time since the last website engagement or the average purchase frequency to predict the number of customers that will stop purchasing. Using insights from the model, airlines can launch targeted retention campaigns aimed at a specific customer segments or offer personalized incentives. By focusing on customers with higher churn probabilities, airlines can address their unique needs and encourage loyalty through tailored retention strategies. Lastly, time series analysis allows airlines to analyze historical data collected at consistent intervals to identify patterns over time. Companies can use the harmonic analysis, which is a component of time series analysis, to simplify complex time series data so that it becomes easier for airlines to predict customer retention patterns. Harmonic analysis can also reveal seasonal fluctuations in customer behavior, and this would greatly aid in the development of campaigns or discounts during peak travel seasons. In conclusion, while the airline industry faces the issue of customer retention, data-driven solutions can be used to effectively manage and overcome these hurdles. Thank you.